You won't believe how this Faceless YouTube channel makes $41,000 per month using pure AI magic. Fire! Imagine generating thousands of viral YouTube shorts without ever showing your face, and raking in up to $41,000 a month. Here's the kicker, it's all powered by AI. Yep, the titles, the descriptions, the hashtags, and even the actual content are fully automated. Scared face, seriously, this Faceless channel has cracked the code to effortless success, and today, I'm going to show you how to copy their strategy, step by step, for free, rocket, money bag. Introducing the secret formula. Okay, here's the deal. This isn't just random luck, this is proven, tested automation leveraging two powerful AI tools, ChatGPT for content generation and Canva for video creation. These tools make generating thousands of quirky, shareable, and viral content pieces stupidly simple. Imagine combining the precision of AI with jaw-dropping automation that churns out content faster than you can say YouTube Shorts, astonished face, and what's the best part? You don't need any experience. No fancy cameras. No professional editing software. Just AI and a little know-how, which I've got covered for you. Buckle up, we're about to dive in. Step 1, ChatGPT, your AI brainpower. First things first, let's unleash the beast, ChatGPT. If you're unfamiliar, don't sweat it, setting up your account is easy. Once you're in, here's where the magic begins. Right pointing finger, I'll give you a custom engineered prompt, yes, it's down below in this video, designed to instantly create your own viral ready content. The secret sauce? It generates facts, anything from psychology hacks to relationship tips to attention-grabbing punchlines, that are super relatable, and irresistibly shareable. Light bulb, here's why it works, viral content needs hooks. It needs engagement. It needs relatability. Using ChatGPT, you'll generate 50 brilliant content ideas at a time, structured as short, punchy lines that pull people in and keep them watching. Now, don't go overboard. Ask for no more than 50 ideas per batch. Why? Because while the AI can deliver quality content, asking for 100 or 200 at once can dilute the freshness. Stick to smaller batches for killer accuracy. Step 2, Canva, your AI editing powerhouse. Now that your content is ready to roll, let's hit the visual side of things. We're heading straight to Canva, the ultimate tool for creating high-quality shorts without breaking a sweat. Glowing star, here's where the automation magic kicks in. You'll start with Canva's YouTube Shorts template. Click on the link I've provided below or just search YouTube Shorts on the platform. Add a background video, think sunsets, beaches, or an aesthetic vibe you love. No distracting visuals, just a calming ambience that makes your text pop. Don't worry if premium videos show a crown. Canva's free trial lets you use them, and you can cancel anytime. From here, you'll create placeholders for your text. Star, topic, hook. Star, part 1, setup. Star, part 2, punchline. Pro tip, adjust the timing of your text to maximize retention. Have your hook linger for the first 3 to 4 seconds and drop your punchline just before the video ends. Why? This encourages viewers to replay the video, boosting retention and watch time. Thank me later, winking face. Step 3, bulk automation, watch AI work its magic. Now for the jaw-dropping part, you're going to automate your video creation with Canva's bulk create tool. Here's how it works. Sparkles, copy and paste all the facts your ChatGPT prompt generated. Canva automatically formats everything into separate batches for each short. Sparkles, connect your text placeholders, topic/part 1/part 2, to this data, and boom, a whole lineup of shorts is ready to go. Sparkles, hitting generate will instantly create dozens of unique videos in one click. Seriously, 49 videos in minutes, 3 o'clock. And yes, you can repeat this cycle over and over to generate 1,000 plus shorts in no time. Step 4. Export and dominate YouTube with AI. Once your videos are ready, simply hit download. Don't forget to select download pages as separate files, and you'll export each short as a standalone video. Upload them to YouTube, optimize your tags and descriptions, and let AI-driven content start building your empire. Money with wings. Why this works, and why you should start now. Here's the blunt truth. People are obsessed with bite-sized content that delivers quick entertainment. TikTok, Instagram Reels, YouTube Shorts, they're all blowing up right now, and they favor high-retention videos with engaging hooks. When you apply this formula, AI handles the heavy lifting while you watch your channel grow. You've seen this Faceless channel making $41,000 per month. Who says you can't do it, too? With zero upfront cost and no complex skills, it's easier than ever to hack the algorithm with AI-powered automation. So, what are you waiting for? Follow this step-by-step guide, click the links for ChatGPT and Canva below, and start building your Faceless YouTube empire today. Don't forget to smash that like button, thumbs up, hit subscribe, and drop any questions in the comments. We've got more game-changing tutorials coming. Big rocket. Let's harness the power of AI and make this year count. Collision.